Components and classification of cost. The total expenditure on direct material, direct labor, and other direct expenses is called direct cost or prime cost. On adding the factory overheads to the prime cost, the sum obtained is called factory cost or works cost or manufacturing cost of product. The cost obtained by adding administrative overhead to the factory cost is known as office cost. It is also known as cost of production or gross cost. The cost which is obtained by adding selling and distribution overheads to the office cost is called total cost. It is also known as cost of sale or all-in cost or final cost. The classification of cost can be displayed by the following chart. First, we charge direct material. Then we add direct labor and add in direct expenses. The total expenditure on direct material, direct labor and direct expenses is called prime cost. Then we add factory overheads in prime cost. On adding the factory overheads to the prime cost, the sum obtained is called factory cost or works cost. Then we add administrative or office overheads in factory cost. The cost obtained by adding administrative overheads to the factory cost is known office cost or cost of production. Then we make adjustment of opening stock of finished goods and closing stock of finished goods in cost of production. For this, we add opening stock of finished goods in cost of production and less or minus closing stock of finished goods. After adding opening stock of finished goods in cost of production and minus closing stock of finished goods, we obtained production cost of goods sold. Then we will add selling and distribution overheads in cost of goods sold. The cost which is obtained by adding selling and distribution overheads to cost of goods sold is known as cost of sales or total cost of goods sold. Then we will add profit in cost of sale or cost of total goods sold. After adding profit in cost of sales, we will get total sale volume.